Many people suffer from overweight problems that may cause them embarrassment and anxiety. In addition to the possibility of developing dangerous diseases as a result, such as heart disease, diabetes and pressure. So those who suffer from this problem seek to reduce their weight in various ways, and one of the best and effective ways is natural recipes. They are harmless and nourishing to the body at the same time. Among the most prominent of those recipes are honey. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, then add the mixture to a cup of lukewarm water and drink it before eating the main meals. Lemon juice. Mix 2 cups of lemon juice with 2 cups of water, then take the solution when you wake up immediately. This recipe reduces appetite and burns a high percentage of fat. Parsley. Boil 3 cups of water and add 3 cloves of garlic to it, then add enough parsley and leave the mixture for 30 minutes, then filter and eat before meals. Ginger. Cut ginger into cubes, then put it in water and add a handful of mint leaves to it, then let the mixture boil on fire for 30 minutes, then filter the food and eat it before meal. Weight loss tips. Here are some weight loss tips that boost your metabolism and help you lose weight. Eat fruits twice a day as they help reduce food intake during the day. Eat less refined carbs as it spike blood sugar rapidly, leading to hunger and increased food intake a few hours later. Avoid eating foods in front of the TV as this will increases your food intake. Drink more water especially before meals and make sure that the amount consumed is not less than 8 cups per day. Commitment to exercise, especially walking at least 30 minutes a day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you will never miss any of our updates.